Welcome back, Salsa Ninjas. Today we have a pattern for beginners. This is a simple salsa move that you can learn and start dancing immediately. Let's jump right into it. Get your dance shoes ready. But before you go, subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. Enjoy, guys. Hey guys, this is another episode of simple moves that you can do for beginners. Let's jump right into it. So starting out with a basic step, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna catch the hand on 5, 6, 7. So I'm asking for the hand palm up, but really quickly I'm gonna change it. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, show the hand, ask it palm up. That way, because I don't wanna go and like fish for that hand and accidentally do something like I don't want to grab the wrong part. So I'm just going to ask for the hand. Okay? That happens on 5. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Immediately lifting the hands up. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. That was a right turn. So I lift both hands up on 1, which allows her to turn. So you're here. Let's do it again from the top. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Ask for the hand. 5, 6, 7. Hand up. 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Immediately to get her out of it, you go to the left on 3. I bring 1, 2, 3. Both hands up close to her forehead. Hands are together. Notice for you girls, her elbows are down. You don't want to flare up those elbows out. Neither do you for the men. Keep the elbows down for both of us. It's safer that way too. And it looks nicer. And then she's going to spin. 5, 6, 7. Basic step. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. From the top. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. On 7, I'm going to start to prepare to get out of the way. And girls, for you, you're going to do a right travel turn. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Again, keeping your elbows down. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 2, 3 from the top. 5, 6, 7. Lead her into a right turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Left turn for you for the women. And then right travel turn. 5, 6, 7. And basic. 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Awesome, guys. So that was it. That's a simple move that you guys could do that is a simple pattern. Let's put that together with music. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Basic. As for the hand, girls turn around. 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, other side. 6, 7. 1, 2, right travel turn. And 1. And bye. Boom! Well done for making it all the way to the end of the video. I hope you practice the pattern. I hope you get good at salsa dancing. And then when you refer people over to this channel, let them know that we're helping you out improve your salsa dancing. And I hope to turn you into a salsa ninja. Subscribe here for more salsa tutorials. See you guys soon.